Alright, welcome to another East Van Drone. This day we find ourselves at Fred Gingell Park in Tsawwassen, BC. This was recorded back in the middle of October when the weather was a little nicer and a little less windy. We are on the west side of the Tsawwassen Peninsula at a place called Tsawwassen Beach, which is kind of just near the ferry terminal and just a little bit south. Fairly affluent neighborhood, a lovely beach, but always in a bit of a dispute with the First Nations locally. It's very restricted access to the beach down there. It's not really private, but the people who live there want to make it private. So Fred Gingell Park was officially closed due to the COVID. The park was open, but the steps that you see in this shot were closed. So there was no public access down to the water, and this is about as close as you can get. As you can see, it's a fairly affluent neighborhood with lots of swimming pools. The border is literally about 400 meters to the right of the shot, and there is no fence. So thank you for watching East Van Drone from Fred Gingell Park in Tsawwassen, BC. We'll be back with another East Van Drone very soon. Please subscribe and click off the bell so you're notified of the next video.